Hi guys on YouTube, this is my auntie's Bosch Exxcel SMS63E09 going on a normal cycle. The detergent we're going to be using is Exxcel Dishwasher tablets. Just put the camera down a minute. What? Okay. Yeah, shut the door. So I'll do an intensive with express. And yeah, it says no rinse, salt, rinse, but it's got all its clean stuff in it, so we can press start. Put these back. Sorry about that, that's just the oven fan cooling down. My other auntie's WDF740 is not in action today because it's just how late it's finished and there's no other laundry to be done. And we begin. Thanks for watching, hope you enjoyed this. Bye.